Yo.
Good morning, my lovelies. So, I am super excited about today's video because we are going to the world's biggest Primark and it looks so cool. So, let's go in. Free Wi-Fi, guys. Hello, bro. Find you're amazing. Come through diversity.
Tell me what you waiting for. Tell me what. So tell me what you waiting for. Tell me what.
God, am I actually at home? I know. One day. And they've even looked out for us curly girls. Look at that. So, they actually have a hair salon and nail bar. And a massive nail bar. Look at that. So this is everything they do. Hair mask, £5. Quite good. File and polish, £10. Gel manicure, £22. Oh, and they even do lashes. Oh, June. Do you fancy getting a little trim? The barber's getting a little shape up.
Now you say it, I was actually gonna just shave everything.
Yeah,
this piece.
Get a nice little shape up.
No, I was gonna leave this piece.
Oh.
So shave everything but this. So it's literally gonna be everything gone and then one little curl. And I actually think that's gonna be a really nice hairstyle. So come with me and that's what we're about to do.
Right. Yeah, I'm just gonna get a fade on the edges, you know. Get my hairline sorted out. Oh, you get a face mask as well. And a wet shave. I don't know if these prices are good, so
I don't know if
men
that's
tell
just
me.
a number.
So basically, guys, you can get a coffee and then you can go to the barber's while you're shopping. Hello. Yeah, good. I'm just showing a little bit of the Oh, thank you. Yeah, so this is the barber's. It's got a really nice big window there. And you can just come and get a shave. And the staff are really friendly from what I can see. Thank you. Thanks. See ya.
Yeah.
So
this is
June.
what I'm gonna get.
June.
Yeah.
What happened?
My finger already hurts. What?
What happened? Why have you
Oh, my hair.
still got hair?
Basically, they started to cut it, and it's happened to a few people before where sometimes if you use the buzzer at too high of a speed, there can be like multiple spiders that will just suddenly gush out of the shaver and start attacking you. So it's actually really traumatizing, but yeah, the spiders were just absolutely eating my head, and Kaiyyah had to like knock them off, bash them off. Everyone in the shop was like just trying to cut them off with scissors. It was a really horrific accident. So we were just like, you know what, I think it's best we don't do it today. So yeah.
Well, you're going to do it next time, yeah?
I'll do it next time.
Alright.
Hopefully no spiders.
We'll hold you to that.
Yeah, next
Don't want to see any hair except for one bit.
Except one piece.
So we are now on my favourite floor, which is accessories and homeware. They've still got some clothes here. And what's that? Custom lab over there, June? What? Star Wars, what's that? Is it like a tech lab? Basically, we're about to explore this floor.
Actually, no. I think it's designing T-shirts.
Oh, really?
Print something. I think it's for printing T-shirts.
So, if you want your own T-shirt printed, then you can just get one here at the Custom Lab. Basically, you can just get everything for holiday from Primark. You can get your suitcase.
Get all your outfits.
You can get your holiday makeup.
Your luggage.
Yeah, all your outfits.
And luggage.
You can even get a float.
And when you sit on the plane and you have your comfy, cushy thing on your neck, you can have
Travel cushion!
yes, travel cushion.
Sun hat.
Sun hat.
Sunglasses.
Yes,
Jinx.
snap. Jinx.
Oh, look at this sun hat. This is like giving me chic goddess vibes. I can't try it on though with my
There's a mirror.
But
I don't know. I don't know if it suits me. Does it suit me?
I think it looks nice. South, but you need to pull it down a bit. Yeah. South of France vibes. Oh, hello. Hello. How are you?
très bien.
Donuts! Like, this is like a whole high street and a store. We are in the Disney section, a whole section dedicated to Disney. We've got some Beauty and the Beast here. Little Chip. Chip doesn't have a chip in. It's just got a fake chip.
Huh?
There's no chip in Chip.
Yeah, because you couldn't put an actual chip in it.
I've seen one with a chip in before.
You shouldn't really, because if you were to drink out
It was like a rounded chip. Minis. June loves her Minnie
I know, I
Mouse.
love my Minnie Mouse. Tempted to get one. This is a tanned Minnie.
Yeah.
She's been in the sun.
Everyone's tan nowadays, isn't it?
I know.
Oh, I like this cup.
Yeah, I love that cup. That is so cute. I do.
That is the cutest cup ever. I think the thumper is gorgeous.
Yeah, like,
Hello, thumper.
I feel like this is you. If we went on
Yeah, if we
holiday
went to Disneyland, I would get
we
that.
would have to, I would get
Yeah.
this too. So cute.
Very handy.
I love his pajamas. They're so cute.
Oh my god, guys.
When you said about Harry Potter, the guy went, I think he thought you meant actual Harry Potter, because he was like,
Guys, when we were in the Disney bit, I was like, I hope they have a Harry Potter section, because usually in Primark they've got some Harry Potter stuff, and they do have a Harry Potter section, and it is amazing.
I didn't even know they had a Harry Potter section. I must have missed it.
I'm sorry. Look at that. Oh, it's got all the different crests. It's got the trunks. You just walked into my shot.
Oh, sorry.
It's cool. Yeah, it's got the trunks. It's even got cauldrons. If you're a fellow Harry Potter fan, comment down below what house you think I'll be in. I've taken the quiz, so I will be able to confirm or deny what house I will be in. June?
This is Hufflepuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Repping all the Hufflepuffs out there.
What house are you in, June?
Hufflepuff.
You done the test?
Yeah, I've done the test. I've done it twice
You're a
or 3 times.
legitimate Hufflepuff.
Legitimately a Hufflepuff. I really like Hufflepuffs. Hufflepuffs are so underestimated, but you know, we're the underdogs. We're still a part of Harry Potter. You know, it's not all just about Gryffindors. It's Hufflepuffs, you know.
Bam! Barbie section. This is not even the kids section, guys. It's just a Barbie section. Come get your LPs. Come get your electrical gear. Come get a coffee. Another one. Hello, so we are back now and our experience was... Hello, we are back now and our experience was really good. We had a really fun time.
Hello, we are back.
Okay.
I like to use the camera on the YouTube. That's what you youngsters do now.
Back now. Stop it. Stop it. We're back at home. We have both had a coffee because we were thoroughly fatigued by that long marathon of Primark. And I don't know if any of you have ever been to the Bull Ring, but we were trying to work out whether Primark was as big as the Bull Ring or bigger. June thought it was bigger, but anyway, it was massive and it was so fun discovering all the different parts of it. Harry Potter part was my favourite, I think. The bag selection was immense and it was just a really fun girly day out. So I did get one purchase. I got these trainers, which are so cute. June got them as well. And they were only £14. They look so good on and I can't wait to wear them for summer. But if you want to see a full haul of things, June has done a haul over on her channel, so that will be linked down below. You can go and check that out. She was more exciting than me. She got some exciting purchases. Thank you so much for coming to Primark with me today. I'd love to connect with you on my social media. So my link for my Instagram will be down below. I'd love to see you over there. And if you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel for more videos of me.
Oh my god, I'm an official guest on your channel. I feel so formal. I feel like we're doing...
Oh yeah, we've never done like an actual...
Sit down. We need to do that. I feel like we're doing a Q&A or something. Like, it feels very like... Or I feel like we're doing a girl talk video.
Yeah, that would actually be fun.
I would love to do that.
When you like drink wine and have a girl talk video.
Yeah, we should do that one time. We should do that.
So, how did you feel about the Primark? It's your second time.
Yeah, I went last week. So it's my second time now. Last week when I went, because I went really late, I didn't spend as much time as this time, like actually going around and seeing all the different places. So this time, I think I got more of a feel for it. But yeah, I really, really enjoyed it. It was so big. Oh my god, so many floors. Like, so much. We can't believe that you could fit everything. It's like a shopping centre in one.
It is
shop.
literally a shopping
Massive.
centre.
Absolutely massive.
5 cafes. I think there are probably even more than 5 cafes. But
Yeah, I think on every level there was like something. There was something on every level. So yeah, I loved it. It was really cool. And yeah, I think if you're from like, I don't know, the north or from the south,
come to Birmingham.
you should come to Birmingham. I see why it is the biggest Primark in the world, because it does have everything. It does have everything.
It was a really fun experience.
It was.
So June got trainers as well. We both got the same ones. So cute. So we're going to be matching.
Exactly.
We're actually matching quite a lot of the time.
Yes, we are. That's just how we are.
Yeah, one of us always sees something and then the other one's like, oh, that's nice. And
Yeah.
then we're like, well, we'll both get it.
Yeah. And today we're both wearing crop tops.
Yeah. So
It wasn't planned, and
No.
I never wear crop tops to be honest, but
Yeah.
today we're both wearing crop tops.
and it was really cold. So
Freezing.
we were both crazy.
And we're
enough
both
to
wearing
wear.
holes in our
Yeah.
jeans too. Just realised that. Like, yeah, we're
Twinning.
We're similar. Hashtag twinning.
So yeah, if you want to see a full haul of loads of stuff, then head over to June's channel. She'll be showing you everything that she bought in the day. But until next time, it is bye from us.
Goodbye.
Bye.